Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below in the description. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. And now we got something coming from SieSean. This is their air purifier AP400. Get this just in time for Prime Day sales they got going on now. We got all week sales, so definitely check them out. And you can get one of these at a low cost. Add it to the cart when you're done. And you're all set. And now we got Father's Day coming up. So if you're looking for something different, well, you definitely check them out. So this one, it has auto mode, sleep mode, 3 speed levels, a timer, low power consumption, high performance filter, and child lock safety, which is always good. Keep them little boogers out. And then here we go. Whoa, this thing looks pretty sweet. Here we go. We got some tape right here. And the packaging material, they got some poly filters that's going to be inside here. See? Packaging bags from the HEPA filter. I gotta remove this one right on top. So this would be nice for your college dorm, your small business, maybe your office, wherever you do your work. This would be great to keep the clean air coming in and the bad air out. Especially now it's summer. It's hot. So you're going to definitely need one of these. And it helps get rid of dusty and stuff like that. So remove that. And I think I can remove the sticker right here. Uh-oh, maybe not. Here. Maybe not. Okay, how do I get this out? Hold up. I had to put it on the back side. Right here, this left. Ooh, check out these filters. Okay, really nice. And these things are amazing, guys. I'm telling you, you should definitely get one. That one. There's Beast right there. Look at that fan. Oh yeah. So in case you got a smoker in the house, this will help out. You know, with the dust and everything, and make you guys breathe a little bit better. But here we go. And now take these out. Right there it says you lift this up. Activated carbon filter. Look at that. It's like a honeycomb. Hopefully no bees come out. Not a fun day if it does, but we're safe. And here comes the other filter. Now this is the true H13 HEPA filter. Or HEPA. Really nice. Now we're going to flip this upwards and test this thing out. So you just want to slide that back in. And bam. We are good to go. Ready to flip. Right now. Oops, I forgot about this side. Good thing I didn't take all the tape off. But we got on the other side. Same thing. As you can see here, we got the HEPA filter and the carbon filter. So you get 2 sets, front and back. I think this is the back side. I'm not sure. But yeah, we're ready. Alright, see? Now it's easy peasy. Look at this beauty. Definitely, your first time using it, I will run it 24 hours. And then you can set the timers after. But let it get its cycle going. The first 24, you know, and see if you notice a difference. Or you might want to keep it longer. It depends on your style home or business, wherever you're going to put this at. Just make sure it's, you know, to your standard. But definitely first use let it run overnight into the next morning, and you might notice a difference, you know. Like I said, I have a few of these in my house, and as soon as I turn it on, I notice a difference in the air quality and everything. So I'm sure there's air quality testers you can always, you know, compare it to, and then do your own scientific tests. But right now, this is the SieSean. I think I said it right. But so check them out. We're gonna start this thing up. Really nice top right there. I think that turns on, and that's where you can select your timers. Not sure yet. Okay, now we got that firmly in place. Power time. Let's see if I could do this with one shot. It's gonna make a noise. Oh, plug in. Oh yeah. Now we go on tippy top. Really nice display. Look at that beauty. So we got, whoa. Oh, ooh. Oh la la. We got 60, 77. We got the speed. Oh, that feels good. Whoa. 94. Timer. You can see right there. 4 hours. But I'm going to leave it off. 8 hour. And then, like I said, I'm going to leave this running for 24 hours. Change the speed. That's that kind of speed. Oh, that feels good, guys. Definitely check these company out. I can remove the sticker right here. Oh yeah. Now we're reading 111 PM2.5. Not sure exactly what the PM2.5 means, so if you guys want to drop a comment. If not, I can always ask AI. And dimmer. We got dimmer light. Oh, that's... Ooh. Here we go. Auto. Damn. This is nice. And then reset. We don't need child lock. Just gotta press it. I don't have no kids, so thank God for that. And you shut it off. Boom. But like I said, time to run it at no auto. Change the speed. We got sleep. We got that one. Probably be the best one on this. Oh yeah, this is nice. Definitely, yeah, this is a nice one, guys. Yeah, this room gets dusty a lot. I'm not sure why, but I don't even smoke in this room. I smoke down in my basement. I don't think it could be that, but I don't know. Hopefully this helps like the other ones do. I mean, so far, pretty sweet stuff right here. Really cool. Alright, YouTubers, you guys definitely check them out. Like I said, Prime Day sales going on now. All you gotta do is click that link down below and, you know, scroll around a little bit and check them out. Thank you guys over at SieSean for sending me this unit for review, and hit the like and subscribe button. Much appreciated. Be safe. Take it easy.